Battered fish sticks. Ingredients: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, divided. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon salt. ½ teaspoon sugar. 1 large egg, lightly beaten. 2/3 cup water. 2/3 cup lemon juice, divided. 2 pounds perch or walleye fillets, cut into serving-sized pieces. Oil for frying. Lemon wedges, optional. Directions: combine 1 cup flour, baking powder, salt and sugar. In another bowl, combine egg, water and 1/3 cup lemon juice, stir into dry ingredients until smooth. Place remaining lemon juice and remaining flour in separate shallow bowls. Dip fillets in lemon juice, then flour, then coat with egg mixture. In a large skillet, heat 1-inch oil over medium-high heat. Fry fillets until golden brown and fish flakes easily with a fork, 2-3 minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels. If desired, serve with lemon wedges.